Welcome to science class. Our first topic is regarding nutrition in plants. You know what are nutrients? Nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, minerals, proteins, vitamins, etc. And about the nutrition, there are about two nutrition. The first one is autotrophic nutrition and the second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means that is those organisms make their own food themselves is known as autotrophic nutrition. Plants belongs to autotrophs. And about the heterotrophic nutrition, those organisms depend upon other organisms for their food is known as heterotrophic nutrition. So animals belongs to heterotrophs and some plants also belongs to heterotrophs. And today here we are going to study about autotrophic nutrition, that is how plants prepare their own food. You know that process is known as photosynthesis. Plants make their own food with the help of carbohydrate, water, sunlight, chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. So the main ingredients are carbon dioxide and water. Next we can study how this carbon dioxide is obtained by plants. That is, their food is prepared in leaves and leaves contain small pores known as stomata. Stomata can absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere and stomata is guarded by guard cells also. So stomata present in these leaves can absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere. And the next one is water. Not only water, some other nutrients are also along with that. Water and nutrients that is some minerals. Minerals are absorbed by the root from the soil and it is transported to different parts of the plant. And the next one is, what's the purpose of the sunlight? Yes, sunlight is very important thing. That is, a green pigment present in the leaves known as chlorophyll absorb this sunlight. What's the purpose of sunlight? That is, here we are absorbing sunlight means gathering light energy. That is energy needed for the preparation of their food, that is carbohydrate. So, in order to get energy, chlorophyll is needed in the leaves. A green pigment known as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and carbon dioxide plus water. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, food is prepared. That is, food is known as carbohydrate. It is also known as starch that is stored in the leaves and stored in the plants. And here, oxygen is released. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is taken by the plants and oxygen is released. And during the night, they will respire. They will take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. This is what photosynthesis. So the process of making food by the plants with the help of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. The next we can study about some plants, some other plants which are not in green color. How do they make food? They also make food by the process of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll present in them. But more than chlorophyll is the green pigment, some red or yellow pigment is present in them. So that we can't see them in green color. It is some leaves in red color we can see, some in yellow color we can see. It's because more red pigment or yellow pigment present in them. I think all of you understand about photosynthesis. So we can learn more about photosynthesis in the live session. And also one more topic we can learn, that is about how do plants obtain nitrogen. That also we can learn in the live session. Thank you all of you for listening to the class.
Form photosynthesis, they need various elements: sunlight, carbon dioxide obtained from air and water, and chlorophyll, which is a green substance that all plants have and is fundamental for performing photosynthesis, since it could not happen without it. By the way, chlorophyll is what gives all plants their green colour. But how does photosynthesis take place? Look at this plant. As you can see, its roots are anchored to the ground. And through them, the plant absorbs water and minerals in the soil. Water with minerals are transported up the stem, reaching the leaves. The leaves are full of tiny pores called stomata, which absorb carbon dioxide that the air in the surrounding contains. All this containing water, minerals, and carbon dioxide is called raw sap. Now it's chlorophyll's turn. The chlorophyll in the leaves has all the necessary ingredients for photosynthesis to take place. And when it receives sunlight, the process begins by transforming the raw sap into elaborated sap, which also circulates around the plant and works as food.